Thank you for exploring KumoMTA. This is email infrastructure built by and for MailOps engineers who are creating today's complex, high-volume email systems. KumoMTA powers some of the largest email services in the world, some in excess of 1 billion messages a day. It includes all of the control, visibility, and security you would expect from the most powerful email engine in the world. As a bonus, it's provided as open source code. When you choose KumoMTA, you're joining a group of elite email professionals and entrepreneurs who are building the email communications infrastructure of tomorrow. I'm Tom Mayers, co-founder of KumoMTA. Welcome to the project. I won't bore you with a full feature benefit discussion, but I do want to make sure I answer some of the most common questions we've heard from our customers today. First, it's super flexible. This is not a SaaS cloud service, but you can install KumoMTA on almost any public cloud or private service, including AWS, Azure, GCP, IBM, and Oracle. You can also install on your own private physical hardware in your own network. KumoMTA will run on almost any Linux operating system and has been fully tested on current versions of Ubuntu, Rocky, Alma, Debian, and Red Hat. It also comes as a Docker container, so it can be easily deployed in a Docker swarm or with Kubernetes orchestration. Install literally takes just a few minutes, and it's fully documented by people who actually use it. Configuring the system for multiple IPs and domains with true multi-tenancy is a piece of cake. You have the option to write custom Lua so that anything you can imagine can be possible. But you don't have to. We created a set of helpers that allow you to configure with simple TOML files. Just list all of your IPs and their host names, then gather them all into pools. We call this a sources file. The queues helper can then pick the right pool based on the tenant name that you define it, and then route the right message through to the right IP to the right recipient every time. Every event of every message is then logged with full details of routing tenancy, so you never miss a thing. How many queues and tenants can you manage? That's technically unlimited. You can add as many tenants, queues, and shaping rules as you like to a server. And if that's not enough, you can deploy this as a cluster spanning as many servers as you like. Clustering can be scaled across multiple zones and geographies and even across cloud services. We recommend using our purpose-built SOC 5 proxy server that can front public IPs for any number of internal MTAs. Our message shaping rules can be cluster aware and automatically lease out available connections to MTAs as needed without harming your delivery reputation. We've also made it dead simple to configure and manage bounce and feedback loop domains in a similar way. Ready to try this on your own or build out a local proof of concept for testing? Unlike closed source software, there's no license to run out here, so the pressure's off. We've created a number of easy to follow tutorials and guides to help you get up and running quickly. We put a great deal of effort into documentation to make your journey as easy as possible. Even so, the Discord community support is always available for basic questions. But we don't expect you to do this alone. Our professional services team can quote out a guided plan and work with you to get the answers you need to get to a decision quickly, and then help you roll into production as soon as possible. When you're ready for next steps and you don't want to go it alone, reach out and talk to a solutions engineer for support. We can provide full professional services to help deploy and configure your KumoMTA implementation. Our ongoing support options range from casual community Discord chats to full 24/7 enterprise global support. If someone else on your team needs to hear about KumoMTA, please share this demo with them. We look forward to seeing you again.